Hello coin engineers and welcome to another huge airdrop chance. Today we continue with our Aptos ecosystem testnet videos with Mobius testnet. If you want to catch every opportunity like this one, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get priceless contents that we share for free every day. And also, do not forget to follow our other social media accounts such as Instagram, Twitter and Telegram community. I want to remind you that please watch the entire video because probably we have answered all of your questions and showed you what you must do to increase your chances to get this airdrop. If you watch the entire video and still have some questions, feel free to ask us at the comments below. If you're ready, let's start. As you will remember from our earlier Aptos blockchain videos, Aptos is the newest and the best blockchain which promises huge returns when it finalizes its testnet process. Solana's marketing team and many talented developers in the crypto ecosystem has moved to Aptos blockchain. This is why we are hopeful about it. And let's come to the main topic. Mobius is a Web3 liquidity platform operating on Aptos blockchain. You can both deposit and lend or borrow and withdraw crypto assets on this platform. To participate in the testnet, you need a crypto wallet which works with the Aptos blockchain. And right now, the best option is the Martian Aptos wallet. To download it, just click on the link which is in the descriptions of this video and watch our Martian Aptos wallet tutorial to learn how you can create your own wallet. If your wallet is ready, let's jump to the second page. You must click on the second link in the descriptions which will direct you to this website, mobius.market. After entering this website, click on the launch app button which is at the top right side of your screen. And in this page, you will see the connect button and it's again at the top right side of your screen. Click on this button and your Martian wallet will be opened. Enter your password and click on the unlock button to connect your Martian wallet with the Mobius.market. When you click on unlock, your wallet will request an approval from you. This is a normal thing in every DeFi app. If you trust the website, if you trust the application, you can directly approve this message. After clicking on the approve button, as you can see, my wallet is now connected to the Mobius and this site is usable right now. You can see the total deposited and total borrowed assets to the Mobius. And just below it, you can see the supply markets and borrow markets with the asset names, APIs, how much I've got them in my wallet, and how much liquidity there are in Mobius, and the action buttons, which is deposit, withdraw, borrow, or repay. Now, to use the testnet, to use this website, we need to have both Aptos, Ethereum, and Bitcoin in our Martian wallet. How can we do this? First of all, you need Aptos to pay the gas fees in the testnet. You can directly click on this airdrop button and as you can see 20,000 Aptos coins sent to my wallet right now. Or you can directly click on this Aptos faucet to get more Aptos coins. And also you will have to click on the Ethereum faucet and then approve this. Then you must click Bitcoin faucet, then approve this again. As you can see 100 Ethereum and 100 BTC came to my wallet. You can click on those again to get more Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now I have nearly 160,000 Aptos coins in my wallet with 200 Ethereum and 200 Bitcoin. I will deposit Aptos to Mobius right now. To do this, I will click on this deposit button and I want to deposit 20,000 Aptos to Mobius. I will click on this deposit button and I will approve this message. Now as you can see, my total deposited number rose from 0 to 20,000 and I had 156,000 Aptos coins in my wallet. Now it's minus 20,000. If you want to withdraw your Aptos coins, just click on this withdraw button and select how much Aptos that you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 2,000 Aptos. I will write 2,000 here and click on the withdraw button. Now I will approve this message again and as you can see, my total deposit number is now 18,000 and the number in my wallet increased by 2,000 Aptos coins. Now let's deposit Ethereum. I will deposit every Ethereum in my wallet. I will click on maximum button. I will click deposit after that. When I approve this message, as you can see, the Ethereum number in my wallet decreased to 0 and the total liquidity in the Mobius.market increased. And I will do the same to Bitcoin. I will deposit the maximum Bitcoin in my wallet. I will click on deposit and I will approve this message. And as you can see, this one increased and this one decreased. To withdraw them, you can do same things again. I will withdraw 20 BTC to my wallet. I will click on withdraw button and I will approve the message, and I will do the same to Ethereum. I will withdraw 20 Ethereum to my wallet. The logic of testnet is simple. You will just test these functions. You will deposit, you will withdraw. And also, you will have to borrow and you will have to repay your debt. Now let's say I want to borrow Aptos from Mobius. I will click on this borrow button and I will need to write here how much Aptos that I want to borrow. Let's say I want to borrow 1,000 Aptos coins. I will write it here and I will click on borrow button. Let's approve, and as you can see, the total borrowed number increased by 1,000 Aptos coins. Now I will repay some of my debt. I will repay 800 Aptos. You can repay all of your debt by clicking on max, but I will not repay all of my debt. I will just leave a little bit that will not be liquidated to increase my chance to get a huge airdrop. So I will repay 800 of them and click on repay button. After approving this message, as you can see, the repay success message came to my screen and my total borrowed number is 200 right now. Now I will borrow Ethereum. Let's click on borrow and click on max. As you can see, I can borrow up to 1,139 Ethereum, which is the total liquidity in the Mobius. I can borrow all the Ethereum, but I will not do this because probably it will not give me all of them. So I will just borrow 100 Ethereum. As you can see, I borrowed 100 Ethereum. Now I will repay 95 Ethereum. And you can see this from here. My balance is 120 Ethereum. 100 of them borrowed ones and 20 of them were actually mine. I wrote here 95 and I will click on repay button. Now as you can see, if you click on repay button again, your borrowed number of Ethereum is 5. And the thing you must be careful about is the APYs. If you borrow an Ethereum and don't repay it for a year, your debt will increase by 10%. And if you deposit Ethereum to Mobius and don't withdraw it for a year, your Ethereum number will increase by 8%. Now let's borrow Bitcoin too. I'll borrow 100 Bitcoin. I will click on the borrow button. Then approve the message. As you can see, my total borrowed number is increased. The site and the platform works really well. And now let's repay it. I will repay 95 Bitcoin and do the same things again. And this is all you have to do. By using all the functions, all the action buttons you see here. Use all of these. And don't use it just once. You can use them the next day, 1 week later, 2 days later, whenever you want. Use it again and again to increase your chances to get a huge airdrop. You can follow their Twitter account by clicking on this icon to keep track of the project and be notified if they will make an airdrop. Also, you can follow our Twitter account because if they make one, we will definitely publish it. We will be following them for you. I hope this video was useful to you and you like it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up. See you in the next one.